In today's top cryptocurrency news, November 22, 2022, in the first new, Ethereum bears have the upper hand according to derivatives data, but for how long? ETH bears continue to suppress Ethereum price, but institutional traders buying activity and exchanges aiming to provide more transparency could improve investor sentiment. In the second new, why is Bitcoin price up today? Bitcoin, altcoins and stocks rallied after a week of losses, but is the current bullish momentum sustainable? In the third new, Binance CEO denies report firm met with Abu Dhabi investors for crypto recovery fund. Changpeng Zhao first announced the fund following FTX filing for bankruptcy, saying it would be aimed at helping projects with liquidity issues, but was not for liars or frauds. In the fourth new, the rise of mobile gaming shared a lot in common with crypto gaming. Mobile gaming had an ample number of skeptics during its early days, but today it dominates 60% of the gaming market. Crypto games are following a similar path. In the fifth new, substantial amount of FTX's assets stolen or missing, bankruptcy counsel. We're not just talking about crypto assets, or cash assets, or physical assets, we're also talking about information, and information here is an asset, said James Bromley. In the sixth new, could a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust collapse be the next Black Swan event? Watch the market report. On this week's episode of the Market Report, Cointelegraph's resident experts discuss the potential collapse of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and its implications on the market. In the seventh new, Mango Markets hacker allegedly feigns curve short attack to exploit Aave. It appears that shorting of CRV tokens was a distraction shot to exploit a sophisticated loophole on DeFi platform Aave. In the eighth new, House on a Hill, top countries to buy real estate with crypto. More countries are beginning to allow real estate purchases using crypto. Here are some of the top destinations. In the ninth new, Bitcoin price returns to $16,000 amid warning over BTC wealth selling. Bitcoin's modest recovery from two-year lows comes as major BTC price support emerges at $12,000. In the 10th new, crypto and fiat savers are making a fatal error, and DeFi can come to the rescue. Across crypto and fiat, many consumers are making a fatal error. They are letting their assets sit idle in accounts without earning interest. In the 11th new, Litecoin hits fresh 2022 high versus Bitcoin, but will LTC price halve before the halving? Litecoin diverged from the broader crypto market downtrend in the months leading up to its halving in August 2023. In the 12th new, unique Web3 tech primed to democratize Internet of Things industry. W3B Stream, a machine FI project, is using Web3 technology to decentralize the Internet of Things. In the 13th new, Tornado Cash developer Alexei Partsev to stay detained until next year's hearing. A Dutch court hearing ruled that the Tornado Cash developer would be held for another 3 months as the investigation continues. In the 14th new, CoinMarketCap launches Proof of Reserve tracker for crypto exchanges. The tool allows users to monitor exchanges' reserves through displays of total assets and public wallet addresses, along with the balance and value of the wallets displayed. In the 15th new, Bitcoin will survive failure of any giant in crypto, Samson Moe says. Bitcoin cannot be destroyed by the fall of cryptocurrency giants like FTX or, hypothetically, other big exchanges, according to Samson Moe. In the 16th new, the Reserve Bank of India to launch a retail CBDC pilot in December. The digital rupee is intended as a supplement to the current payment system and not its replacement. In the 17th new, how to buy cryptocurrency in Canada. Learn how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Canada via brokers or directly through a crypto exchange. In the 18th new, FTX ordered to pay reimbursement fees to Bahamian regulators. The Bahamian securities regulator was ordered to offer custody for digital assets belonging to bankrupt crypto exchange FTX on November 12. In the 19th new, industry expresses confidence in the NFT space amid the FTX collapse. NFT artist Jonathan Schultz believes that the era of NFTs without utility is dwindling, and to survive, it must outgrow the mummification of things. In the 20th new, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest adds more Bitcoin exposure as GBTC, Coinbase stock hit new lows. ARK Invest scoops up bargains as Coinbase shares hit all-time lows and GBTC trades at a near 50% discount to the already suppressed Bitcoin spot price. In the 21st new, Hong Kong believes stablecoin volatility can spill over to traditional finance. According to Hong Kong's central bank, the interconnection of crypto assets has made the crypto ecosystem more vulnerable to systematic shocks. In the 22nd new, SBF, FTX execs reportedly spend millions on properties in the Bahamas. At least 19 properties worth around $121 million were reportedly purchased under FTX's name, Sam Bankman-Fried's parents and senior-level executives. In the 23rd new, Texas to probe FTX endorsements by Tom Brady, Stephen Curry and other celebs. The Texas State Securities Board is scrutinizing payments received by celebrities to endorse FTX US as part of a wider probe into FTX's collapse. In the 24th new, Sam Bankman-Fried deepfake attempts to scam investors impacted by FTX. A faked video the FTX founder created by scammers has circulated on Twitter with users poking fun at its poor production quality. In the 25th new, U.S. senators urge Fidelity to reconsider its Bitcoin offerings after FTX blow-up. The crypto-skeptic senators suggested the FTX collapse made it abundantly clear that the digital asset industry has serious problems. In the 26th new, Uniswap's new privacy policy sees backlash from decentralization buffs. Uniswap's newly released privacy policy comes in light of the FTX crisis, an event that has shined a spotlight on the need for transparency. In the 27th new, Iris Energy to cut mining hardware after defaulting on $108 million loan. The Australian mining firm has had to unplug hardware that was producing insufficient cash flow to service its debt financing obligations. In the 28th new, Hashflare founders arrested in astounding $575 million crypto fraud scheme. The Hashflare founders have been charged for their alleged involvement in a crypto fraud and money laundering conspiracy. In the 29th new, FTX crisis leads to record inflows into short investment products. The aftermath of FTX's collapse has soured crypto investor sentiment with record inflows into short investment products last week, said CoinShares. In the 30th new, Genesis denies imminent plans to file for bankruptcy. The lending firm claims it's having constructive conversations with creditors and plans to resolve the situation without the need for a bankruptcy filing. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.